Welcome! Thanks for stopping by. SecureCircle helps organizations protect their sensitive data in today's cloud-first world. Today, 80% of an organization's data is unstructured. By 2022, that will increase to 93%. Unstructured data includes text, spreadsheets, presentations, images, videos, audio, and much more. These files contain sensitive data such as personal identifiable information, personal health information, financial, intellectual property, legal, and much more. As data moves from the core, it becomes harder to protect. The rise of cloud applications and storage, messaging apps, mobile devices, and BYOD makes data protection for the last mile challenging. SecureCircle is transparent to end users. There are no workflow changes. SecureCircle's transparent file encryption keeps files encrypted at rest, in transit, and in use. Permissions are retractable at any time. Automatically protect derivative work including copy and paste or save as. All access attempts are logged for detailed reporting and auditing. Finally, data protected by SecureCircle is always portable. Files can be accessed from any device, any application, and any location without limitation on file type or size. File names and extensions are never changed. SecureCircle helps organizations meet their compliance and data security requirements. For more information, go to www.securecircle.com.